Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss GD file part 2. So let's start this video. Longest of India. All the longest of India. Question number first. Longest river in India. Answer is Ganga. Longest river in India, Ganga. Question number 2. Longest tunnel in India. Longest tunnel in India, Kharbudde Konark Railway. Kharbudde Konark Railway is the longest tunnel in India. Question number 3. Longest dam in India, Hirakund, Odisha. Hirakund, Odisha is the longest dam in India. Question number 4. Longest railway platform. Longest railway platform, Kharagpur, West Bengal. Question number 5. Longest corridor in India. Longest corridor in India is Rameswaram Temple. Rameswaram Temple is the longest corridor of India. Question number 6. Longest hanging bridge. Longest hanging bridge in India, Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is the longest hanging bridge in India. Question number 7. Longest train service. Longest train service, Himsagar Express. Himsagar Express is the longest train service. Question number 8. Longest bridge. Longest bridge, Anna Indra Rameswaram to Mandap. Anna Indra is the longest bridge in India. Question number 9. Longest glacier. Longest glacier, Siachen Glacier. Here the picture of Siachen Glacier. It's the longest glacier in India. Question number 10. Longest river bridge. Longest river bridge, Mahatma Gandhi Setu. Mahatma Gandhi Setu is the longest river bridge in India. Question number 11. Longest national highway. Longest national highway, NH7. Longest national highway, NH7. Question number 12. Longest canal. Longest canal in India, Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in India. Smallest of India. Question of first, smallest state according to area wise. Smallest state in India according to area wise. Answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest state according to area wise. Question number 2. Smallest state according to population. Smallest state, Sikkim. Sikkim is less population in India. Question number 3. Smallest state forest area. Smallest state according to the forest area. Answer is Haryana. Haryana is smallest area according to forest. Question number 4. Smallest union territory. Smallest union territory, Lakshadweep. Smallest union territory, Lakshadweep. The picture of Lakshadweep Island. Miscellaneous question. Biggest hotel in India, Oberoi Sheraton, Mumbai. Oberoi Sheraton, biggest hotel in India. Second, tallest statue. Tallest statue, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, tallest statue in India, 182 meter. Question number 3. Highest gallantry award in India. Highest gallantry award in India, Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is the highest gallantry award in India. Question number 4. Most literate state. Most literate state, Kerala. Kerala is the most literate state. Question number 5. Least literate state, Bihar. Bihar is the least literate state in India. Question number 6. Most densely populated state. Most densely populated state, West Bengal. West Bengal, most densely populated state. Question number 7. Least densely populated state. Least densely populated state, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 8. Most populated city in India. Most populated city, Mumbai. Mumbai is the most populated city. Question number 9. Busiest bridge. Busiest bridge in India, Howrah Bridge, Kolkata, but now present time Kolkata. Question number 10. Oldest refinery in India. Oldest refinery in India, Digboi, Assam. Digboi, Assam. Question number 11. Most literate union territory. Most literate union territory, Lakshadweep. Question number 12. Fastest train in India. Fastest train, Shatabdi Express. Shatabdi Express is the fastest train in India. Question number 13. Least populated union territory. Least populated union territory, Lakshadweep. Question number 14. Highest award according to civilian. Highest award of civilian, Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest award. Longest of the world. Longest of the world. Longest day, June 21 in northern hemisphere. June 21 is the longest day. Question number 2. Longest river which forms East Estuary in India. Answer is Narmada. Narmada river. Question number 3. Longest desert in world. Longest desert, Sahara Desert, Africa. Africa. Question number 4. Longest epic. Longest epic, the Mahabharata. Longest epic, Mahabharata. Question number 5. Longest river. Longest river, Nile River, and after that, Amazon. Question number 6. Longest tunnel through road. Longest tunnel through road, Lærdals, Norway. Question number 7. Longest animal. Longest animal, blue whale. Recorded length near about 106 feet, weight 195 ton. Question number 8. Longest canal India, Indira Gandhi Canal. Longest canal in India, Indira Gandhi Canal. Question number 10. Longest big ship canal. Longest big ship canal, Suez Canal. Answer is Suez Canal, linking Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Suez Canal is the longest big ship canal. Question number 11. Longest railway platform, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Longest railway platform, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Here the Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in India. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Each and every student write on your GK copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.